Welcome kids. Today we are going to learn English subject. So here unit number 6, lesson number 2. Sham's horse cart. In this lesson we will see what is here. Now here is lesson number 2, Sham's horse cart. Okay? And here is first exercise. Look, listen and read aloud. Okay, so I will read one by one paragraph and then explain it, so you listen carefully. Okay, so here Sham started in his horse cart to go to the fair. On the way, Madhu and Meera said, "Can we come?" "Oh, yes," said Sham. The dog saw them. He asked, "Can I come?" "Oh, yes," said Sham. Now look here. Here are two paragraphs. And here is Sham has a horse cart. And Sham go to the fair. But when he go to the fair, that time on the way, Madhu and Meera meet him. And they ask the Sham, "Can we come?" That time Sham said, "Oh yes." Why not? Means he invite them. Okay. So next here is second paragraph. The dog saw them. Now here is a dog. Now dog also ask, "Can I come?" Now he wants to go to the fair. Dog also wants to go to the fair. So he asked, "Can I come?" Then again Sham said, "Oh yes." Means Sham also go with this dog. Next paragraphs. Here is, they were going through the fields. The peacock saw them and asked, "Can I come to the fair?" Then, "Oh yes," said Sham. Here is third paragraph. In this paragraph we can see that peacock meet them. When they went to the fair, that time peacock saw them and again he asked, "Can I come to the fair?" That time Sham said, "Oh yes." Sham again said yes to the peacock. Now next, when they were crossing the river, the frog asked, "Can I come to the fair?" "Oh yes," said all of them. Okay. Sham said, "Come and sit near me." Now when they crossing the river, that time frog saw them and asked, "Can I come to the fair?" Then again they all said yes. And Sham said to the frog, "Come and sit near me." Means आओ और मेरे पास बैठ जाओ. Now we will see what happened next. They saw the fair from a distance. The peacock was so happy. It spread its feathers and started dancing. But one feather touched the dog's ears. He sprang up and barked loudly. Now, when they saw the fair from the distance, in this paragraph we can see here fair is from the distance, the peacock dancing, and that time his feather touched the dog's ear, and that time the dog was frightened. Dog was frightened and he sprang up and barked loudly. And when dog bark, then what will happen? We will see. Madhu was frightened. Meera fell on the frog. The dog fell on the horse. Okay, means when dog frightened, that time Madhu was dog barked loudly. Then Madhu was frightened. Meera fell on the frog and the dog fell on the horse. Okay, and when the Frog fell on the horse. That time horse also frightened. The horse was so frightened that he ran helter and skelter. He frightened that what happened? Who is there on me? And he frightened and he ran helter and skelter. Helter and skelter means इधर उधर. जो हॉर्स है वो फ्रॉग के अपने ऊपर गिरने से डर जाता है और रैन हेल्टर एंड स्केल्टर हेयर एंड देयर, इधर उधर भागने लगता है. देन श्याम फेल ऑफ. देन मधु एंड मीरा ऑल्सो फेल ऑफ. वन बाय वन ऑल ऑफ देम फेल ऑफ. व्हेन हॉर्स रैन हियर एंड देयर देन श्याम फेल ऑफ. फेल ऑफ मीन्स गाड़ी से, घोड़ा गाड़ी से गिर जाता है. Then Madhu, Meera and one by one all of them fell on. सबके सब वो एक के बाद एक गिर जाते हैं. Now the horse kept running and stopped when it reached near the fair. यहाँ पे जो हॉर्स है वो रनिंग करता है एंड रुकता है कब? जब वो फेयर के पास आता है. When the fair is near. Then Sham, Madhu, Meera, the dog, the peacock, and the frog were all panting when they reached. Till then, the horse became quiet and relaxed. In the evening, they returned happily in the horse cart. जब वो वहाँ पे फेयर में जाते हैं तब तक वो हॉर्स जो है वो क्या करता है? रिलैक्स हो जाता है, क्वाइट हो जाता है. एंड आफ्टर दैट दे ऑल वेंट देयर होम. दे रिटर्न हैप्पीली इन द हॉर्स कार्ट. ओके, इन द इवनिंग. यू ऑल्सो लाइक टू गो टू द फेयर, यस और नॉट? बिकॉज वेन वी गो देयर वी एन्जॉयड, वी विल डूइंग फन, yes or not? So now second exercise here, listen, tell and write. Here are some examples. Here is one bird, many birds, means this is one and many. One and many, this topic already we learnt it in the grammar. Okay, so here is one dog, many dogs. Then one peacock, many peacocks. We add s here. Okay, when we add s, any proper name, that time we get many. This is peacocks, we add s here. Then one horse, so many horses. One field, many fields, so s, add s here. One feather, many feathers. One river, many rivers. One thing, many things. One banana, many bananas. One frog, many frogs. One room, then many rooms. Okay, in each word we add s here. So you should write this one and many in your notebook. Next here, look and say. Here are some words. First is horse cart, HORSECART, horse cart. Then peacock, PEACOCK, PEACOCK. Third is field, FIELDS, fields means खेत. Next is fair, 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 fair means यात्रा. फन फेयर हम जाते हैं ना, वही फेयर. देन COME, कम, कम तो सबको मालूम है, आना. देन NEAR, नियर, NEAR, नियर, नियर मीन्स पास में. Then FROG, 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 frog means mendak. Then AGAIN, 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 again mean फिर से. Panting, panting means enjoy. Okay, then Quiet, quiet. Quiet, quiet means shant. Happy, happily. Happily, happily मतलब खुशी से. Then sprang, sprang means घबराना. sprang अपना अपना जो शरीर होता है वो ऐसे हिला के अपना जो डर होता है वो निकालना. ओके, दिस इज sprang. Then here is fourth exercise, right? Who went to the fair with Sham? It's a question. Then answer is here. Look here. Number 1. Madhu, Meera, dog, peacock and frog went to the fair with Sham. It's the answer of this fourth question here. Okay. Now fifth question. Why did the horse run helter and skelter? Now here is the answer. The horse ran helter-skelter because he was frightened when frog fell on him. Okay. Now here is sixth exercise. Classify the following animals as domestic animals and wild animals. You know what is domestic animals? Which animals we can see around us. Okay. And wild animals. Wild animals means these animals which live in jungle. Okay, so first dog lives around us, so write here dog. Okay, then horse also domestic animals, so write here horse. Okay, then lion, where can we see lion? In jungle, so it's wild animal. Right here in wild animals column, lion. Now elephant also wild animal, so right here elephant. Okay, next is cow is domestic animal because we can see around us. Then frog is domestic animal. Then peacock is wild animal, so right here peacock. And then remaining is cat is domestic animal, so write in this column cat. Okay, so here we classify the domestic animals and wild animals. Now we will see question. Here is 7 number question. Write the names of any 5 vehicles and answer is here. Bicycle, car, scooter, truck, jeep, etc. If you want write other names, then you can. Then 8 number question. Write the names of things you see in the fair. In this lesson we have seen the hut, trees, balloons, Ferris wheels, fruit seller, etc. In this lesson, in the picture, we have seen these things. Okay, so next is here 9th number exercise. Unscramble the words. What is here? ROHSERACT. What is it? Here are some letters which are scrambled, so write correct name. It's a horse cart. HORSE, horse, then CART, cart. Okay, then here is Peacock. What's the proper name? Peacock. Then write Peacock. Now next is IELFD. Which is the correct name or correct word? It's the field. So FIELD. Okay, field. Next is YTO. Now tell me which is the correct word? TOY. 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 Now look here. IRAF. Then what is it? The correct name is fair. FAIR. Okay. So you should write this word in your textbook and in your notebook also. So today's homework is write all questions answers in your notebook which we have seen in this video. Okay. So textbook page number 55 and 56. So thank you. Bye. Take care.